Luffy, the man who would be king of pirates. So this is from episode 1015, I think. It's that cool sort of still where he has his hand on his hat. So we're going to give this a go. I am on landscape page. Use a pencil and an eraser for these, and hit pause if I go too fast for you, right? So let's go. So I'll try and fit in his hand as much of it as I can. It's kind of cut off, so I might have to make it up a bit, but we'll do our best. Right, so we're going to just start with the line for his hat that goes right across my page. So we'll go, and it's kind of bumpy, you know. Right, just coming across here. You could do this like any old way. It doesn't have to be the exact same bumps as mine or anything. It goes real far, real big, right? All the way from there to the edge, just there. And I think it goes behind his arm there, but no, it goes back around here. Back around here. Yeah, and kind of goes right down. Doesn't have to be a straight line like that. And then we'll give it like some edge, but it's sporadic. What I mean is it's disconnected lines, right? All right, like that. And then we have the line for the red strap around like so. This can have some texture on it. And then this will go up and around. It'll probably go off my page, this. Yeah, goes up off my page. And this one will go like behind his fingers, right? So I'll just kind of stop that there because I can't see it. And then we got texture lines. Like rows of texture on this. This is definitely probably my favorite One Piece episode of all time. Maybe in animation style, it's definitely the best one so far, animation wise. Maybe not in terms of like action or stuff, but back of the hat here comes down like so, right? So we're kind of just, you can't see his eyes or anything, right? So we'll just do his hair, right? So some of his hair comes down here. And like a little bit coming down like across his eye here. And then around for his ear, right? But say his ears are here, okay? So on the side of his face, he's got this round sort of bowl-like face, right? So we'll draw that because we can't see eyes or anything. So this comes down. Like so. And that's his jaw, right? So we're kind of tilted. His head is like tilted back to the side, right? So this will go this way. And this will go this way. And we've got his chin just down here. So it goes around like that. And then we can add those ears. There's another hair spike here. Lines inside the ear, so like just cartilage lines, this kind of stuff. You don't have to do too much, that's enough. And another one here. And then his facial features, right? So his nose comes down from his hat, right? So you just got this sort of J sort of hook kind of thing. There's like a little bit of hatching on top. And then his nostrils below that. There. And his mouth, so it's real downturned, serious, sort of Luffy. Like so. Kind of maybe thicker on the end. A little bit. And then like a shadow where his bottom lip would be. And then his scar just here. Like so, and he's got some scratches on him. Lots on this side of his face. Right, and then the rest of his hair. That. Some come out from behind his neck, but more hair here. Right, and then his neck. Real long, one-piece style neck. Like so. And then he's got like some hatching just there. There. And then neck muscle line there with some hatching lines on top. And then his big collar, right? We got some hair sticking out here. And then this will go, collar goes up this way. Up that way towards his hat, and then kind of down like so. And then the outside of that is here. You can see like some of his red vest. Maybe like a collarbone. Going that way. And then like the inside of that, so it goes down there. Maybe back up like that. Down there. Like so. So his hand then, right, goes on top of the hat. So say like his sleeve. So he's got this sort of frilly sort of sleeve here. Goes down there. And then his shoulder in behind. Like so. He's got like some fold lines on this. And his wrist comes out from this sleeve and comes across his hat, right? So real long, sort of skinny wrist. And then this goes down. Like that. Okay, so then his thumb kind of bumps and wrinkles here. Goes in behind his hat. The top of his hand. So we got like a wrist bone, maybe just here. And the top of his hand goes back like so. And then we kind of meet a knuckle here. And they're kind of long, exaggerated fingers, right? So it goes like and then down this way. And then around. Back like that. Okay. And then fingernail. There. And you might have some like knuckle lines and stuff. And then his hand line just underneath. So the palm of his hand going that way. And like some wrist skin lines and stuff in there. And then the side of his hand and his thumb going behind there. So then we got like a couple more fingers on top, right? So say like coming out here. We'll go around, up, down that way. Make some knuckle lines maybe. And his finger nail there. And then maybe another finger on top, kind of going across the top of his hat, but you can't really see it. Maybe it goes in behind. Kind of there. So, how does that finger look? I'm not sure. Yeah, it's not bad. Bit of a thick line, but. Right, but and then if you want to like thicken up some of your edge lines, you can. Sometimes they do that now in One Piece 1.0. Just to make some things stand out a little bit. Right, but I think I'll leave it there. That's how to draw Luffy holding his hat from episode 10, 14 or 15. I can't remember. I'll put it in the title. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.